Welcome to the Financial Market Examiner YouTube channel, where you learn about forex, crypto, and the stock market. Today, we'll see the Bitcoin mining and its types. What is Bitcoin mining? Bitcoin mining is a complex computational and technological process of validating the Bitcoin transactions over the Bitcoin network. It's like a process of validating a block on chain network and getting paid in Bitcoin. People who are involved in the process of mining are also known as miners, and the reason why it's called mining is because, just like any other form of natural resources, there is a finite number of bitcoins available, and the maximum amount of bitcoin that can be created or mined is 21 million, just like real mining. In bitcoin mining, one needs to invest energy in order to generate or create bitcoins. And here, the energy is in form of electrical energy to mine bitcoins. The miners compete against each other to solve complex hash puzzles, which are encoded cryptographically to verify the blocks containing transactions. So, in those race of guessing, whoever becomes the first miner to guess the number gets a chance to update the ledger of transactions on Bitcoin blockchain network and also receives a reward of newly minted bitcoins. This is to be noted that this guessing of specific numbers is all done by the computer. So the more powerful a computer one has, the more guesses a miner can make per second, and thus it increases the chances of winning this race. So Bitcoin mining is primarily done to bring new coins into circulation and validate ongoing transactions, to check counterfeiting and double spend, to maintain the ledger in a decentralized manner. Types of Bitcoin mining. Bitcoin mining can be done in several ways and forms, each delivering different levels of hashing power and block rewards. CPU mining. When Bitcoin was launched in 2009 and was mined for the first time, it got mined via central processing unit, which is also known as the brain of a computer, containing all circuitry required to process inputs and output results. In the early days of Bitcoins, it was easy to mine it via CPUs as there was very few miners and Bitcoin was also at its infant stage. GPU mining. Gradually, when the acceptance of popularity of Bitcoin increased over the time, along with the competition among miners, graphics processing unit mining came into the picture. GPUs based system, which are mainly used for gaming, modern video editing, proved to be more efficient for mining with better hash rate than CPUs. The first software for GPU mining was launched in 2010. However, the GPU mining of Bitcoin was fairly short-lived and got replaced by a new kind of hardware, ASIC, by 2015. ASIC mining. ASIC is a short for application-specific integrated circuits. Is a kind of hardware which is designed for mining cryptocurrencies only. It was launched in 2012 and proved to be 200 times more powerful than basic GPU miners. However, ASIC mining rigs are very expensive, with prices ranging from $2,000 to $15,000, with varying power consumption and electricity costs along with network difficulties. Purchasing ASIC miners could be a very high price. FPGA mining. FPGA stands for Field Programmable Gate Array, which is a better choice between GPU miners and ASIC miners in terms of speed and cost efficiency. FPGAs are also able to stabilize vigorous hashing powers as they are meant to be logged into mining a specific coin or algorithm like ASIC miners. The kind of hardware technology gives flexibility to the miners to reuse the setup if they change their mining activities for something else. FPGA miners are good options for crypto enthusiasts that want to invest in huge sums on mining hardware. Cloud mining. Cloud mining is the latest way of mining bitcoins where the miner can buy a cloud mining service or purchase a contract from a mining provider with specialized in cryptocurrency mining rigs. This facilitates the miner to mine bitcoins without bearing the sunk cost and maintenance requirements of mining hardware setup. But one is required to be very cautious in order to choose a reputed cloud miner to avoid any kind of scams or fraud. Is Bitcoin mining profitable? Well, Bitcoin mining may look profitable, but is it really? The inventor of Bitcoin, Satoshi Nakamoto, has created Bitcoin mining into such an arrangement where the more powerful the mining network will be, the more difficult it will be to solve the mathematical problem. So the difficulty process is adjusted with the combined mining power that the whole network possesses. In simple words, if more miners will compete, the harder it will be to solve the puzzle. This arrangement was done to maintain the stability and create a steady flow of new bitcoins to keep inflation in check. The mining difficulty is set that, on average, a new block will be added in every 10 minutes. Mining profitability factors. As I said earlier, the Bitcoin mining process is directly linked with rewards and people want to use it for high profits. However, it's not always so easy to turn your mining into a profitable one. So consider and check the factors I'll be telling you today which have a substantial impact on the mining profitability. That is hash rates, block rewards, mining difficulty, electricity and power consumption charges, mining pool fees, Bitcoin market price. So the question you should ask is, should one mine Bitcoin? Generally, people think of Bitcoin mining as a profitable avenue for investment. However, it's to be noted that Bitcoin mining is certainly not a quick way to get riches, and at the same time, one needs to be technically skilled and well equipped to carry out the complex processes of Bitcoin mining. It also requires huge investments in expensive equipment, which is tagged along with high computational power as well as reliable internet and electricity. So it's always advisable to test the waters before jumping in with your hard-earned money. With this, we've come to the end of the video for today. Remember, this video is not for financial advice but for educational purposes only. Kindly subscribe, share and like after watching. Thank you.